crab.
There are kayakers out here. Check it out.
Wow. Damn.
The what?
Coming in from over there, though, right?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
All right.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Like that, right?
Yeah, go off the side.
Okay.
And make sure that this cart with the bait goes down. So let go of that ring, yeah. Make sure it goes down that way.
Yeah.
Grab ahoy.
Okay. Grab ahoy.
Grab
Grab ahoy. Okay, grab ahoy once, grab ahoy two, grab ahoy three.
Nice.
Good.
Yeah.
And
like
here, make sure the rope, keep
Just
the rope
like
away from the propeller, and then the buoy will come up.
Oh my God, that seems so daunting.
Oh yeah, that's not too much.
Yeah.
Go ahead and throw the buoy.
This is what you call buoy.
Throw it.
All right.
Okay, good. So that was
We'll be back.
54.
I don't know, it just seems like for the next 2 hours we could...
Wow.
Really heavy?
Not yet.
Really heavy.
We got crabs,
Not many.
but they're big.
Wow.
Oh wow,
Wow.
look at that big one.
They're
Wow.
really big. Oh, we got a fish too.
Oh!
Wow.
Whoa, look at that guy.
Wow. This looks beautiful.
See if we can get that fish out of there.
Yeah.
Oopsies.
Okay.
Oopsies.
He doesn't want to go out. Okay. 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 Wow.
Let's see. So this is the hard part. This guy's totally a keeper. This guy's
This fish is beautiful.
yeah, isn't it?
That's a keeper.
How you do
That
it?
guy's gigantic.
Yeah.
If we can get the fish out of there. Trying to help you, buddy.
To grab the fish?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
He's super slippery.
Just be sorry.
Watch out,
Just
man.
leave it for now.
I don't want to get bitten by.
Yeah. Let me grab this guy out. What happens is the crabs will grab the net and then they get hurt. This guy's a keeper.
Uh-huh. Everyone else goes. Shoot it.
I was thinking that.
That's so heavy. Is it stuck on something? Oh, it's.
Dang!
Oh man.
Wow.
That's a lot of crab.
It's a lot of crab.
A lot of small ones.
Stuck
But
in hell.
look at that shit. That's like the most I've ever pulled up.
You got it. You can step up if you need.
This is totally the most I've ever pulled up. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, here's one. Right here. Open your eyes, fucker.
I don't think you can close them. This guy's pretty big.
That's already.
What's his back? Yeah, the upside down one.
This one?
Yeah. It's scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
But they can't pierce the glove, can
Some
they?
other big one too. Oh, these.
Oh, that guy's
He's
huge.
big.
That guy might be the biggest yet.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no.
Come here, fucker. Come here. You and me, we have a.
Crab wrangling.
I know you're looking at me.
Yeah, he's the
I
biggest.
think it's the biggest one.
Wow.
See, and she's smiling to me. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Got it. He's got it.
One,
Throw it straight up.
two.
Oh, dive bomb.
You got it. They picked up. Okay, Ray, we're coming up again.
Okay.
Where? Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, this is ours.
Yeah, but we don't want any of those.
Uh-huh.
No, except the starfish.
Starfish?
No, he died.
Sharing.
We're not in the East Bay. If we were in the East Bay, they'd probably all be.
They'd be like, and I want to share your room.
Is this
We're like,
farm-raised chicken?
Like I saw on the cow house.
Very nice.
Yeah.